All right, same thing with the IQ Air. All the filters had been removed. I did not realize that. Again, I was just looking at the indicators there. So looks like I'm gonna have to order one more filter, and it looks like it will be the pricey one at the top, the HEPA air filter. But at least I know where to go and where to actually get a good price on that. So at least I can put the bottom two filters in for the time being, and then get that other filter probably within the next few days. All right, everything's working fine with the IQ Air. I was able to replace filters 1 and 2, but 3 was still missing, but I was able to order another one there. Should have had that within a few days time. All right, so I have a Hyper HEPA filter H12 13, both generic one and one by IQ Air. Reason being is I wanted to get one filter in place before I go on break, but wanted to make sure that I actually had two filters in place. Now, this IQ Air filter is rated to last for 12,500 hours. This filter here is due to last for about 5,000. So when I have to change the pre-filter, most likely I will need to replace this one as well. But it'll be a good test just to see how these two units compare. This is, again, the biggest and most expensive filter of the bundle, but wanted to give it a shot. Again, this filter runs about $200. This one runs about $85. But again, they're both rated in the same way. Again, how will they perform? Time will tell, but I figured I'd give it a chance. So make sure I'll put the replacement date here, 18 months from now, or you know what, better yet, it'll be the same number of hours, 5,000 hours as for the pre-filter, and then I know I will need to replace this. And odds are that I will go the next step up, but for now, we'll see how it goes. So we'll see.